What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mech Merlin. Today, I'm going to be talking about group buy woes. Last year, around June 2016, I did my very first group buy, and sure, there were some delays, some hiccups, but by December of the very same year, I was able to ship my last and final package. After that, it's been relatively event-free. I've got one complaint, but everything was fine, at least until a couple days ago. Okay, so let's backtrack a little bit. A group buy is a process in which a product is offered at discounted rates based on a minimum number of buyers. So let's say, 10 people would purchase a product at $10, but maybe 1,000 people would purchase the same product at $6. So this was my very first group buy, and I was making weights for the Duck Octagon V2, which I still haven't built. And these are what the weights look like. You've got brass and stainless steel, and I also offered engraved options. These are actually not visible to anyone unless you open up your keyboard, and they go right into this crevice over here. So guys, this is proof that I do have an Octagon V2. I've just been... I just haven't had time to build it. But like I said, that's a story for another time. Alright, so keep in mind, it's been a couple months since I shipped my final package. It's been 5 months actually, and I haven't really heard a peep. And this is what happened. I received this package. So it's supposed to be a large flat rate USPS box, but it looks pretty tattered right now, actually. So it almost looks like it's been... Actually, I'm pretty sure it's been opened up. It's got custom stickers on it. And basically, the reason why it's been returned is because, well, it says gone away. So I'm guessing my intended recipient either forgot about this package and moved without telling me, or it's a scam. Anyway, I've contacted him already, but it has been 3 days and I haven't heard anything back. So I'm stuck with this package. I'm kind of curious if the contents are even safe, so let's open it up. So I just want to say that this package was nowhere near this shape when I shipped it. It was actually filled with packing material, but now it feels almost empty, as if only the plates are inside it. So thankfully, everything was still inside there. Sure, they opened a few things, like, here we go. They opened 3 of them. 2 of the brass plates and 1 of the stainless steel plates. And, I guess it's just typical custom stuff, the way I packed it almost kind of looks like drugs. But yeah, I just wish they would have taped it up better. Like, they just literally just wrapped it up like that. Remove it so easily. I taped this very, very well, and it's just disappointing that they didn't take the time to put it back together, It's been 5 months since I shipped this out, and I haven't heard a peep from this guy. And so you would think that, if you're waiting for your package for 5 months, you would inquire about it, but I don't know, maybe everyone has a different situation, but I have a few issues with this. Mainly because if this guy asks for a full refund, it's not like I have, oodles of cash lying around which I can just hand to him, I verified that the address he gave me is the exact same address that I shipped it to. So if I needed to refund him, well, if I had to refund him, I would need to go and sell these plates. The Octagon V2 was a limited run keyboard. I'd say everyone who's bought these plates from me, they only really need one. This guy bought 8. I don't know what to do in this case. If you guys have any comments, any suggestions, please comment down below. But it's way past the PayPal money back date, so I can't file a claim on it either. Like, I've been contacting the guy. It's been 3 days. He still hasn't responded. I'll send him another email after this video, but it's just, I'm stuck with a bunch of plates that I can't use. I already have 2 plates for myself, and who knows, I would really want him to have these just because I made these extras just for him and he paid for it. So we'll see. Like, the right thing to do is just to give him back his money, but then at the same time I'm also out a couple $100. Like, what am I supposed to do in that case? My theories as to what happened: either this person forgot about the package. It happens, you know. Or, well, they forgot about the package and then moved. Or maybe because I screwed up. Maybe because this group buy lasted way longer than it should have, that it just slipped people's minds. I don't know. Anyway, for all of you guys out there who have been part of group buys, who have even led your own group buys, I could really use all your input, so comment down below. Looking forward to hear from you all. Thanks again.